Hello friends, welcome to Simple Maths of Standard 9th. Today we are discussing with Standard 9th Unit 4 Geometry. This geometry having total marks is 28. In this geometry there are four topics, that is Euclid division algorithm, Euclid geometry, then lines and angle, then quadrilateral and triangle. But here 2020 due to COVID impact, Euclid geometry is cancelled now. So today we are discussing chapter number 6, that is lines and angle. Before we start, we must know about that angles, lines, line segment. If you seen my last previous video, that simple mathematics, geometry, basic geometry part 1, so you know all these ideas. But here we will start to question answer. We must know about that simple topics and types also. So geometry is start from that point. This is an point. Then many points comes together. Then it makes a line. We will take a part of line that is called as line segment. Next, when one side is point and it will extend it to only one side, that is called as ray. These lines may be collinear lines or non-collinear lines. What are collinear lines? Collinear lines means what? Or collinear points. That if two or more points lies on the same line, A, B, C, D, E, these are all lies on the same line, so this is an collinear points. Non-collinear points, that is if A, B lies on line but C is outside the line, so A, B, C are called as a non-collinear points. Now we know that a ray, if two ray comes together, then that makes an angle. So this is an angle. Suppose that O, A, B, then angle AOB, this is an angle. Angle is counted by anti-clockwise direction. So you know about that angle also. Now there are types of angles. Many types of angles are there. First is what? Acute angle. Then right angle. Then obtuse angle. Then straight angle. Next, reflex angle. These are the types of angles using that counting numbers. These all angles are using for that measuring the angles. So that acute angles is what? Which angle is greater than 0, less than 90. Suppose this is an X angle. So angle which is less than 90, greater than 0 is called as acute angle. Right angle is what? Angle is equals to 90 degree. Obtuse angle is what? Greater than 90, less than 180. Then right straight angle is what? X is equals to 180 degree. That angle is equals to 180 degree, it is called as straight angle. Reflex angle, that is angle is greater than 180, less than 360. So this is called as a reflex angle. Acute angle, when we take as a diagram type, so this is an acute angle. Right angle, that is at right angle, at this type of right angle. Obtuse angle, this type of obtuse angle. Straight angle, this type of straight angle. And reflex angle, this type of reflex angle. All these angles are types of angles. Now, if two ray comes together, suppose this ray OA and OC with another ray, and here OB is third ray. So O is the co-initial points of OA, OB and OC. Then OB makes two angles, because angle AOC is a one angle, but OB makes two parts of angle OAC. That is what AOC, that is what AOB and BOC. Means what? When we write as angle AOB, angle BOC, angle AOC. So the relation between that what? AOB plus BOC is equals to angle AOC. So this is called as adjacent angle. This system is called as an adjacent angle. Now here adjacent angles, you know that, then if two angles, suppose X angle and Y angle, two angle having sum is 90 degree, then these angles or these two angles are called as X and Y are called complementary angle. Means what? If sum of two angles is equals to 90 degree, sum of two adjacent angles is equals to 90 degree, then the angle are called as an complementary angle. Also, if X plus Y is equals to 180 degree, then X and Y are called supplementary angle. X and Y, if that X and Y are adjacent angle having sum is 180 degree, then supplementary angles, or sorry, if X and Y having sum is 180, it is called a supplementary angle, but if they are adjacent, then it is called as an linear pair angle. Means what? If this angle X and Y having sum is 180, but they are adjacent A, O, B, C. So AOB plus BOC is equals to what? Complete angle AOC. What is AOC? AOC is an straight angle. So there is an called as an linear pair angle. Hope so. You are all known about that the types of angles and also adjacent angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles. Now, if two lines on a plane intersect each other, then what are the possibilities? There are three possibilities. Two lines on plane, that is type 1. If two lines intersecting, maybe intersecting lines. So suppose A, B, C, D intersect at point O. Then there are four angles: angle AOD, angle BOC, then angle BOD and angle AOC. So this opposite angles, this is called as an opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. AOD and BOC. Also BOD and AOC, these are again a vertically opposite angle. opposite angles are always equal. That is the property of opposite angles, always equal. Opposite angles are always equal. So there is a first condition, if the two lines on a plane may be intersecting. Suppose that. Second condition is what? Two lines does not intersect each other. So that line A, B, C, D. So that line are called as an parallel lines. So there is no intersection, so there is no angle. And there is no angle, that is what? Zero angles are there. Number third is what? What is the third condition? Two lines completely coincide with each other. So there are infinity numbers of intersection. So this is called as an coincide lines. So these are the types of lines: intersecting, parallel, coincide lines, and here are the types of angles also. What? Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, adjacent angles, vertically opposite angles, complementary angles, supplementary angle, linear pair angles. Hope so today you are all known about that lines and angles introduction, that is the types of angles. Next chapter, next topic, we will discuss of that examples on lines and angles. Till then, goodbye.